That happens all the time.
All the time. So I'm out here for a customer today in Chipping Norton. They're just going over to NBN. They've got fibre to the curb. And he's having some dramas trying to get things to work. So basically they've called us out today to come and try and work out what's going on. So they've still got an ADSL service coming in on the blue-white pair. So this yellow cable here where you can see I've got my butt phone connected. That cable goes directly to the Luca box outside where the leading cable comes. And on here, you can see when I turn that on, we've got the voltage coming through and there's a dial tone on that blue-white pair. So the ADSL works fine on that. Then the red-black pair, that's going back out to the Luca box connected to the red-black pair on the leading cable, which then goes out to the snot box. But as you can see, this has probably been plugged in for coming up 15-20 minutes now, and we're not getting any sync on the connection device. Now, we've had this issue before, and generally what needs to happen is when you've got an ADSL service on a fibre to the curb service, the inside the Luca box there, that needs to be disconnected, the ADSL side. For some reason there might be insulation resistance problem on the leading cable or something like that that is not allowing this box to connect. So I've got some mates in NBN, they'd advised me about that before, that's potentially a problem. So once that cable gets snipped inside the Luca box, then everything should work fine. So yeah, it's pretty straightforward on this one, but this is not an internal cabling issue or anything to do with the customer. This is actually a problem with the network, and I'm almost certain that it's going to need to be disconnected, the ADSL side, at the snot box, and then this should come good.